All right. Yeah. We're going to do it again. This time, once again, it's the off DEET Woods towelette. Off DEET Woods towelette insect repellent with 25% DEET. Right, it's my Uncle Glenn's truck right here, so we're going to try it on the headlights. We're going to use one pad for each. One pad for each headlight. So you can show them the headlight. See, the headlight's got this yellow haze on it, the strong yellow haze. So what we're going to try to do is insect repellent. This is the before, so we'll see what it does. That's the oxidation that we take off the surface. And now we got a clear headlight. Like I said, the film is going to be tacky. Soak in the water. Get it off. And then when it dries, you got a clear headlight. All on this side, you see? This is what we could have did. Once again, we got another yellow headlight. Look at a fresh towelette. Do it again. There we go. Got a clear headlight beam. Clear headlight lens. That's it. It's a little tacky, so you know, a little soap and water. Get it on. And it's still clearer than it was before. Alright, now, you know, in New York, some cars might fail inspection for this, but, you know, that's that. Alright, so this one got 25% DEET in it. I ordered another one with 40% DEET, but that didn't come yet. I just came back from the post office. So, here it is. Alright.